my name is Của.
Hello, my name is Wang.
Today,
I will talk about Happy New Year.
let's go. From the beginners, let's by New Year.
Yes, we do. We have
Where is that?
at the Valentine this day, 18th of January.
What do you do at that?
We clean our home and decorate them with flowers.
Is that time for family gathering?
It is a happy time for everybody.
Right.
Yes, and another good thing about that is that children get to be money.
That's so interesting. Is there anything special people should do?
We would say Happy New Year when we meet people and we shouldn't forget anything.
Goodbye.